Here's why I don't date black women. Listen to me when I'm talking to you lot.
I'm listening.
Because you lot don't. I don't date black women because you don't like to get put in your place.
Which place?
Your place.
Which
and when you
place?
get put in your place, you think you got taught like a man.
That's why they were cheating on you multiple times.
Yeah, I know.
Because
I know, and that's why I'm never going to be in your pom-pom ever again. I'm not with black women because you don't like to get put in your place.
Apologies,
Listen, listen.
Apologies.
Where? Go, where's your hair? Where's your hair?
Once you talk about black women's hair, you're on your own, my guy. You're on your own. I was with you. Like, he's allowed to have a preference. You know, he's trying to talk about how she's held him down and picking up his Asian queen. But the moment you went for the hair, my guy, you was on your own.
Come here, chat. Can we talk about it? So Ginger J on TikTok is going viral. Backchat. He was on Backchat. Let me tell you something about Backchat now. Backchat is a panel where you have some group of young people, man and woman. You see, if you don't have the mindset there if you can debate or argue over a certain topic, you see, if you're emotional, don't go on Backchat. Do not go on Backchat because you have to have that mindset. When me tell people, say, praise your son. Now make them seek valuation from people because this is exactly what happened to Ginger J. Ginger J has been through a lot. Before me come on TikTok or any social media and make a comment about Ginger J, me have to see where Ginger J come from. Ginger J has been through a lot. And because of that, his reaction sometimes might seems like him no like within, because the way it sound, he was doing fine until that trigger moment comes in. So you have to wonder now, was he triggered or was he just that type of person? I'm not gonna say whatever, but listen to the conversation.
I don't date black women because you don't like to get put in your place.
Which place?
Your place.
Which
and when
place?
you get put in your place, you think you got taught like a man.
That's why they were cheating on you then.
You're not men.
That's why they were
Watch
cheating
this.
on you.
Stay in your place.
Cheated on
yeah?
you multiple
Black
times.
Yeah, I know. Because you
Nobody.
don't like to get put in your place.
Apologies,
Listen,
sir.
listen.
Apologies.
Where? Go, where's your hair?
Where's your hair?
Where's your hair?
Where's your hair? Jeez, that comment in the writing should have said that.
Whatever she wants to call him, and whatever she speaks Punjabi or Punjabi, he's cool with it. He's fine because I feel like he's accepted her and he's accepted his fate. But when it comes to any other woman, especially a black woman, like his mum, he don't like it. He's mad. Like, it's just not allowed.
Well, you said attitude earlier.
Let me finish. Let me finish. You know you're proving his point. So here's what we're
I don't give a shit.
No, but I'm saying, but you're proving his point. Like.
I don't give a heck.
Wait. Let me say something.
That's not my man.
No,
My
let me
man's over
talk.
there.
Ladies, please.
That's my attitude.
Come on, please. Watch this. No, wait, watch this. You just triggered me a little bit because you did something that all the other black women used to do. You asked me a question, you didn't let me answer it, and then you said you don't give a shit.
I don't though. That's the truth.
I know you don't. So what's the point of the conversation?
Because to me, your point is invalid.
And then what's the
So
point?
I don't care
So
for
why
the
would I
answer,
keep
that's
dating
why.
you? So why would I keep dating you?
No, but me is.
So why would I keep
I
dating
know
you?
who the black women out there.
What does it sound like?
Categorizing
What does it sound
all
like?
of the black women over the couple
What
of
does it
black
sound
women
like?
you dated. You
What
just
does it sound
proved the
like?
point.
You proved the Rose point.
What does it sound like?
To me, it does sound like a little bit of a race thing. But don't kill
It
me.
is a race thing. I don't date black women. I stopped dating you for a reason. Stop trying to say that what I didn't say.
know the reason.
I told you the reason.
He really said the reason.
I told you the reason.
He said the reason already.
Listen, here's what we're not doing. We're not going around it.
Let her finish. So can you let me finish?
Let me upset you. Let me. Pardon?
You said that she didn't let you finish, but could you let me finish?
No, I ain't got time for it no more. Dead that. You had your chance. And watch this. Hey, watch this. You see, if we was having a conversation, Yeah, if we was having a conversation because you was talking perfectly fine, no attitude, and you were delegating yourself perfectly fine, and then black attitude happened.
That's me.
So watch this, and then watch this, and then watch this.
Clarky, black attitude. Black
Watch
attitude.
this. So that means what?
So white women don't snap. Indian women don't snap. They're not angry. It's only us black women. They play.
Conversation is done, and I address it.
To her defense, because it's not a race thing, it's a women thing.
Here's why I don't date black women. Nah, I did that. You wanna no? Here's why I don't date black women. Listen to me when I'm talking to you lot.
I'm listening.
Because you lot don't like to date black women because you don't like to get put in your place. And when you get
Place.
your place.
Which
and when you
place?
get put in your place, you think you got taught like a man.
That's why they were
You're not
cheating
man.
on you then.
You're not men.
That's why they were
Watch
cheating
this.
on you.
Stay in your
That's why
fucking
they
place.
cheated on you multiple
Black women-
times.
Yeah, I know.
Because
I know.
you
And
put no
that's
one
why
in
I'm
their
never
place.
going to be in your
That's
proper
why you
level
had to
again.
go dip out
Yeah,
the pool.
I'm not with black
Because
women
control
because you
nobody.
don't like to get put in your place.
Apologies,
Listen,
sir.
listen.
Apologies.
Apologies where?
Apologies.
Oh wait, you do, wait. Did she just shoot? Did she just shoot?
What kind of
Did she just shoot? Go, where's your hair? Where's your hair? Where's your hair?
Once you talk about black women, say you're on your own, my guy. You're on your own. I was with you.
And
Trying to
dog-
talk about how she's held him down and picking up his Asian queen. But the moment you went for the hair, my guy, you was on your own. You're gonna have to deal with it. Yeah. You're gonna have to deal with this by yourself, my bro.
Take off your head.
triggered.
Where's your hair?
You're triggered.
Where's your hair?
That
I'm
was
triggered.
supposed to hurt.
I said I was
You're
triggered.
triggered.
Did I not say I was
No.
triggered? Where's your hair?
No.
Where's your hair?
Looking ass nigga
Where's
about where's your hair.
Show me your hair.
No, he's
Show me your hair.
pressed. He's
Show me your hair.
pressed.
Take off your eyelash.
People, you're pressed.
Take off your eyelash.
You're pressed.
Take off your makeup.
You're pressed
I'll
because
bring-
you got
watch this.
cheated on
I'll-
1,
no,
2,
yeah,
3,
yeah.
4.
Wait, watch
1,
this.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, boy.
We just asked them questions.
No, you didn't keep her composure. No composure was kept.
What?
I don't think the composure was kept.
How much is composure kept on the show?
Is she giving a composure? Majesty, shut the hell up. This is another continuation of a fuck. Majesty is acting like he's not talking about all of us. All of us in that lineup have that extension of his fiance that he's raving and ranting about. We all got it on, babe. So the same way he hates me, he hates you. Don't think just because I'm dark, he ain't talking about you too, honey. We all in the same basket.
When a black man is, you're asking why we dating outside your race. This is a very sensitive topic, yeah? Cool. And he's been open enough and honest enough to tell us, right? But every time he's saying it, you're kind of like, I don't know, man. This question was a setup. This question was designed to set you up, black men, okay? This question was to say, why are white women better than black women? And this question will never, ever go down well with any black women. Because essentially what you're saying is, but what makes a difference? And he was trying to explain. And every time he explained, they kept on picking, because guess what? No answer is ever going to be good enough why another race or another woman is better than a black woman. So this is why you do not answer it. It's a loaded question, and you got set up, my guy. You can't set me up, man. You can't set me up.
She was asking for depth. That's what Luis was asking for. He was giving very surface level answers, and she was saying, "I want depth." If you can't answer, don't give your personal experience. No one forced you to ask you about your Indian thing. We didn't ask.
A lot of people, when we talk about this thing of race and we talk about this thing of culture and whatever else and their experiences, a lot of people don't even understand the blessing with their experiences. They automatically take it to trauma. And automatically you look at your experiences as a negative thing. Whether you've experienced bad situations with black women or not, doesn't mean that all of black women are negative. It doesn't work like that. It just means that that type of woman was the issue. Because it's black, white, Asian, it could be anyone. So the bottom line is that what I'm saying with...
Okay, guys.
Conditional. Always remember
It
that.
should be.
Okay, guys, let me wrap it up. Okay. I just feel like he feels like he can't manipulate black women easily. Which is... No, because he said that we don't listen.
So what? White women don't get manipulated.
Wait!
What are you talking about?
Because he did mention black women don't stay in their place and they don't this and that. So maybe he feels like maybe...
It's a tricky topic and it's a touchy topic. You have to be careful when you talk about our queens, black women. So, there and then, you do not say stereotype black woman. Say some black woman. Some. Say the word some. And you have a choice to choose who you really want to be with. Nobody's forcing you, but don't bring it on and push it into people's face, especially our black woman. I'm black and I'm proud. I'm beautiful. I do not need validation from anyone to say that I'm beautiful. I know I'm beautiful. I know what's in my heart and what I project outside. So I will do another video soon. Bye. See you next time. Leave a comment, leave a like, share the video, save the video. Bye, guys. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Just wrap it up.